Pythonic way to return list of every nth item in a larger list. Say we have a list of numbers from 0 to 1000. Is there a Pythonic/efficient way to produce a list of the first and every subsequent 10th item, i.e., 0, 10, 20, 30, ... Yes, I can do this using a for loop, but I'm wondering if there is a neater way to do this, perhaps even in one line.
Note that this is around 100 times faster than looping and checking a modulus for each element.
Source_list column 10 is the most obvious, but this doesn't work for any iterable and is not memory efficient for large lists. itertools.isList source_sequence 0, none, 10 works for any iterable and is memory efficient, but probably is not the fastest solution for large list and big step. Source_list I for ins range 0, lin source_list 10.
Use range start, end, step. Or, if you have a list, use slice, from manual, si column j column k, slice of s from I to j with step k.
You can use a slice operator like this.